If you want to maintain your privacy while using Klarna, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear of 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust your preferences. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the Settings menu to locate the Privacy Settings section. This area contains options related to your online visibility and account privacy. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy Settings, look for an option that mentions online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the online status setting, make sure to save your changes. Exit the Settings menu and return to the main interface of the app. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Klarna, ensuring a more private shopping experience.